I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by charging the battery to 100% using the DJI charger and USB-C cable. Inspect the aircraft before powering on and remove any packing materials. Unfold the arms slowly and install propellers securely, matching silver to silver. Attach the battery and press the battery power button once, then press again to fully power on. Download and open the DJI Go 4 app on your phone. Connect the phone to the remote controller before you proceed to linking. Power on the remote controller first, then power on the aircraft to initiate connection. Connect your phone to the remote using the supplied cable and open the DJI Go 4 app immediately. The app will show live telemetry and camera view once the connection is established. If automatic connection fails, fold the rear left arm and press the white linking button under the arm to enter pairing mode. Return to the app and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the link and calibrate sensors. Before your first flight, calibrate the compass and IMU when prompted by the app. Choose an open outdoor area away from crowds and large metal structures for GPS lock. Arm the motors and take off slowly, climbing to about 3 meters to perform a short hover and verify stability. Check GPS signal and obstacle sensors in the DJI Go 4 status bar before proceeding. If the connection drops, toggle the remote and aircraft power, then rebind using the linking button if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.